This is a 1992 Mako 171. It's a 17-foot boat, as the model name implies. Looks super clean. Looks like it has huge potential. But the reason why I thought it was such a steal is because it needs not only an engine, but a little transom repair. And I'm making this video because I was hoping maybe somebody with some experience could potentially chime in and see, like, to what extent do I have to go. As you can see, the transom, it looks like the plywood has been, like, it looks like it has been cut out, but I don't know if how it looks like over here where it kind of cracked is that the fiberglass tub extends onto here, and then the transom is built into here with the plywood covered in fiberglass. But it does look like the actual fiberglass tub of the boat has sustained a little damage here and here, but I really don't think that's anything that's not very fixable. But what worries me here is that it has broken all the way to this point, which I think when you rebuild the transom, you're supposed to leave this bottom portion intact. You just remove the plywood inside. And also, I believe from my 1 hour of research that these are called the streamers, and it looks like they're covered in some sort of fiberglass and paint or they're covered in something, but it looks like there's plywood inside of them. And it also looks like they've started delaminating from the hull, this one and this one here. And if they have a plywood inside, would I have to completely tear up the floor and dig into replacing these streamers here? And also these cracks, mostly this crack here, it looks like it's part of the actual fiberglass construction of the hull itself, and it's already past the level where you would find the plywood. So I was wondering if this type of damage is possible to repair, and maybe with a recommendation of what kind of products to use. Or if it's just something that is going to impact the structural integrity of this boat forever, because this boat comes standard with a 90 horsepower engine. And also I'm not sure if it's an option or if it's just a easy bolt-on upgrade, but it seems that a 115 horsepower 4-stroke or 2-stroke is popular for a boat of this size. But I think I want to mount something like a Yamaha 150 VMAX, something with a little bit more oomph. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Did I just buy a load of junk, or can this be like a worthwhile potential project? I think it can be, and I really hope it will, and we'll see more as this little series progresses, and I'll share what I do with you all.